Good morning, my students. How are you today? Today we will start a new chapter. Chapter 8, Comparison 1. Here in this chapter, we will learn how to compare two numbers. In this session, I have 45 and 34. How I can compare these two numbers? I first look at the tens digit. Where is the tens? Here I have 4 tens and here I have 3 tens. So, which is greater? 4 is greater than 3. Here I have 3 tens. So, I compare the tens, okay? I first compare the tens. 4 is greater, so I say the number 45 is greater than 34. Here, look at this number 52 and 54. Look, we first look at the tens. Look at the tens here, 5. And here I have 5. If I have the same tens, I go to the ones. If I have the same tens, I go to the ones. I see the ones. Here I have 2 and 4. Which one is greater? 2 is less, smaller. So I say 52 is smaller than 54. Let us do exercise number 1. Circle the greater number. I want the greater number. Okay, read the first number with me. 35. Here I have 53. So I first look at the tens digit. Look at the tens. Which one is greater? The 5 is greater. So I circle 53. Next, 29, 32. Which one is greater? I look at the tens. So I have 2 and 3. Which one greater? The 3. So I make a circle around the number 32. Next, 47, 71. Which one is greater? The 7. 71 is greater. The last one, 62, 65. Look, here I have 6 and I have 6, the same tens. What should I do? I go to the ones. Here I have 2 and here I have 6. Sorry, 5. Here I have 5. So which one is greater? 5. So I say 65 is greater than 62. Let's do exercise number 2. Complete by smaller and greater. I have 52. 52. 37. Where should I open the mouth? To the 50 because 5 is greater. 37, 32. Here I have 30 and 30. I look at the ones. 7 is greater than 2. So I open the mouth to the number 37. 49, 63. Which one greater? 60. I open the mouth to the 6. 49 is smaller than 63. The last one, 92, 90. I have the same tens, 9, 9. I look at the ones, 2 or 0. The 2 is greater. I open the mouth to the 2. Excellent. Yalla. Let's go to page 42. Open the books with me to page 42. Chapter 17, Comparison 2. Here at the same idea, but here I have 3 numbers. I have 3 numbers. Look, 452. Look at the number. 452. 349. When I want to compare these two numbers, I look at the hundreds. I look at the 100. I first start with the 100. 4 is bigger, greater than 3, so I open the mouth to the greater number. 527, the next one, 527. 548. I look at the 100 first. I have the same 100, 5, 5. What should I do? I go to the tens. I have the same 100. I go to the tens. 2 is smaller than 4, so I open the mouth to the 4. The last one, 648, 645. First, I look at the hundreds. I see I have the same hundred. I go to the tens. I have the same tens. What should I compare here? The ones. Here I have 8 and 5. Which one is greater? 8. So I open the mouth to the 8. Okay, let's see exercise number 1. Complete by smaller or greater. 890. 890. 792. As I said, I first look at the 100 digit. Which one greater? 8, greater than 7. So I open the mouth to the 8. 639. 675. I look at the 100. I have 6 and 6. What should I do? I go to the next digit, to the 10th digit. Here I have 3 and 7. Which one greater? 7. So I open the mouth to the 7. Yalla. Here 328 and 300. I look at the 100. I have the same 100. I go to the next digit, to the tens. I look at the tens. What do I have in the tens? I have 2 and 0. 2 is greater, so I open the mouth to the greater. I say 328 is greater than 305. The last one, 547, 479. I first look at the 100. I say 5 is greater than 4, so I open the mouth to the 5. Thanks for watching and